Hello students, today we are going to discuss certain topics on map. Like in this video, you are going to see what are the Centuries National Park and certain questions of agriculture. So if you talk about Centuries and National Park, the questions for that purpose you should know which century is located in which state. So there are so many. For example, most probably asked question in your exam is Dachigam, first one. Dachigam, see it is in Jammu Kashmir. So you have to give this kind of symbol, triangle, show in the index like this, that it is a national park. Not necessary only triangle, you can draw any other symbol also. So for example, here triangle is being shown for national park. So here you will see Dachigam, if a question is asked, Dachigam, you should know that it is located in Jammu Kashmir, and then you have to show the symbol and give the name. Like that only, Rajaji, Uttaranchal, Corbett, Uttaranchal. Next, if you come this side, there is Kaziranga, very important. Kaziranga and Manas, both in Assam you have to show. Most probably asked question is Kaziranga National Park. It is in Assam. Next, Manas, again in Assam. Corbett, Uttaranchal. Rajaji, that is also in Uttaranchal. Dachigam, very important, that is in Jammu Kashmir. Ranthambore, most probably asked question, it is in Rajasthan. Next, if you see Shivpuri, it is in the border of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Here in Gujarat, there are Gir, Velavdar and Marine. Very important, Gir, Velavdar and Marine National Park. So all the three are located in Gujarat. Next important is Kanha National Park. It is in Madhya Pradesh. Next, Simplipal. Simplipal, it is in Orissa. Next, if you see here, Bandipur. So you have to show in Karnataka. Bandipur you have to show in Karnataka. Actually, it is in the border of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So you can show in at the very down. You cannot show in the center of Karnataka. You have to show a little bit down. Next, Gundi. Not asked question, but still you have to know it is in Tamil Nadu. So these were the national park. So for this purpose, the main thing is that you should know the state. If you know the state, then only you can easily locate this national park. If you talk about wildlife sanctuary, which is in blue mark, so let us see. It is Periyar sanctuary. Periyar sanctuary in Kerala. Next, Mudumalai, again in Kerala. Actually, it is in the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. You should show on the outline. Next, if you talk about sanctuary, it is in Ittur Nagaram. It is a part of Telangana. Karnala in Maharashtra. Here, if you go, Sundarban, most probably asked question, Sundarban in West Bengal. And here is Jessore is not asked. Kolaudev sanctuary is most probably asked question. It is in Rajasthan. And Sariska, again it is in the border. So you have to show in the Rajasthan, Sariska and Kolaudev. Next is bird sanctuary. So see the star mark, it is shown the bird sanctuary. Vedantangal, it is in Tamil Nadu. Vedantangal bird sanctuary, it is in Tamil Nadu. Next, Rangatitu, that is in Maharashtra. Sorry, it is in Karnataka. Rangatitu, it is in Karnataka. Next, if you go for the sanctuary, it is Velavdar in Gujarat. See, not Velavdar, it is Nal Sarovar. Nal Sarovar in Gujarat. Nal Sarovar bird sanctuary located in Gujarat. So in this way you have to see the names will be given for the sanctuary, wildlife and national park. First of all, you have to learn in which state it is located. Then you can just draw that particular symbol, very important to show in index, and then you can show in the particular state. Now if you talk about agriculture chapter, so these are the probable asked question. See, let us see one by one. So the question will be one region producing rice or one region producing cotton, like that, rubber, tobacco, sugarcane, wheat, jowar, millet, maize. For all this, you have to know one of the state, one or two state. Already in question answers you are learning the states, like that only. Here, if you know one state, then easily you can draw the some symbols. Now see here, it is paddy. First question is paddy. Paddy means rice. So where is it produced? So here it is shown in West Bengal. So you have to give any symbol, not only this symbol, any agricultural symbol you can give. Many people write P, 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 like that also you can write. But best one is this one. Or you make cross, points, small, small circles, like that. So paddy, it is grown in West Bengal. So in this way you have to show in index, very important, like that only you show in that particular region. You should not draw one, you have to draw many symbols over there. Like if you see in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, this is also a major producing rice. If we talk about wheat, so where it is in North India, very important is Punjab, Haryana. These are the state which produce most quantity of the wheat. Next, if you talk about millet, millet it is in Gujarat. See the symbol of millet, and like that only in Gujarat state you can see how the symbol of millet is being drawn. Next, jowar, jowar you can see major part. See the parts of Madhya Pradesh. See the part of Maharashtra and Karnataka. In this way you should draw many symbols, not one symbol and you have to leave it. You have to fill up the area in this way. The next question is tea. So tea is grown in Assam. Next, certain West Bengal is also part of it. As you know, the tea grows in the slopey areas. Next, for coffee, the best one is Kerala. So you can see the symbol of coffee, like that only you have to draw. Tobacco in Gujarat. So see the leaves. Such kind of a symbol is good. You cannot say only TT if you write FF, right? That is wrong way. You should draw such kind of a symbol, similar symbols, not necessarily perfectly this symbol is only required. So tobacco, and most important, actually if you draw the index, so you show the state, you show the state that in this state we have drawn this, means you write down. For example, paddy is there, so you write down that it is West Bengal in bracket, so it is easy for the examiner that a child knows. See other questions. Sugarcane. Sugarcane symbol you can see. Like that only. It is shown in the Uttar Pradesh. Next, cotton. Cotton area see Gujarat, Maharashtra. Maize. Maize, Uttar Pradesh. Then next you can see Madhya Pradesh. This way. Groundnut. See the symbol of groundnut. Like that only symbol you have to show. See in Gujarat it is being shown. Like that only you have to draw it. Next comes til. Again it is in Gujarat. Next is coconut. You can see the parts of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Next, castor. See the symbol is being given. You can show in Andhra Pradesh. Like that only in Gujarat. Next, jute. Jute in West Bengal. See the symbol. Like that only you can draw the symbol and show in the parts of Orissa and West Bengal. Apple. Jammu Kashmir. See the symbol and see the symbols drawn over Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. So in this way you are going to do the map questions. So you will draw the, in such kind of outline will be given in the exam. So you have to draw the symbol and locate in the particular region. Thank you.